Welcome to Budget Computers and Kiwi Mobiles Repair Center, Rotorua, the only high-tech lab in BOP. Troubleshooting Windows problems on a computer or laptop involves systematically identifying and resolving issues. Here's a step-by-step guide. 1. Identify the problem. Observe symptoms. Note the specific issue, e.g., slow performance, crashes, error messages, etc. Check recent changes. Determine if the problem started after installing software, updating drivers, or making system changes. 2. Restart the computer. Restarting can resolve temporary glitches or memory-related issues. 3. Run Windows Troubleshooter. Go to Settings, Update and Security, Troubleshoot. Select the relevant troubleshooter, e.g., Internet, Hardware, Windows Update, and follow the prompts. 4. Check for updates. Go to Settings, Update and Security, Windows Update. Install any pending updates, as they often include bug fixes and security patches. 5. Scan for malware. Use Windows Defender or a trusted antivirus program to scan for malware. Go to Settings, Update and Security, Windows Security and Threat Protection. 6. Check disk space. Ensure your system drive, usually C, has sufficient free space. Use Disk Cleanup. Search for it in the Start menu to remove unnecessary files. 7. Check for driver issues. Open Device Manager, right-click on Start menu Device Manager. Look for devices with a yellow exclamation mark, which indicates driver issues. Right-click the device and select Update Driver. 8. Check System Resources. Open Task Manager, Control-Shift-S to check CPU, memory, and disk usage. Identify and close any resource hogging processes. 9. Perform System File Check. Open Command Prompt as Administrator. Search for CMAD, right-click, and select Run as Administrator. Type SFC, scanow, and press Enter. This checks and repairs corrupted system files. 10. Check for disk errors. Open Command Prompt as Administrator. Type CKDSFLEFR and press Enter. This checks and repairs disk errors. 11. Restore to a previous state. If the issue started recently, use System Restore. Search for Create a Restore Point in the Start menu, go to System Restore, and follow the prompts. 12. Reinstall Windows last resort. If all else fails, consider reinstalling Windows. Go to Settings, Update and Security, Recovery. Reset this PC and choose Remove Everything or Keep My Files. 13. Seek professional help. If the issue persists, consult a professional technician or Microsoft support. Tips for prevention. Regularly update Windows and software. Avoid installing untrusted programs. Back up important data regularly. By following these steps, you can effectively troubleshoot and resolve most Windows-related issues.
Budget Computers and Kiwi Mobiles Repair Center is the premier high-tech lab in Rotorua, Bay of Plenty. Our facility has the latest industry-recommended tools and machines, ensuring swift and safe diagnosis and repair for all your tech needs. Subscribe to our channel for the latest tech and tips. Follow us on Facebook.